Hello everyone, my name is Kristen Fox, and for my Applied Management Capstone project, I'll be doing option 2, which is Process Improvement Project using the DMAIC steps. I'm going to be using this to figure out a better process of dealing with ASNs at Asurion. ASNs are Advanced Shipment Notice, and Asurion is a insurance technology company that I interned with last summer. A little background on, I guess, why I'm doing this project is I spent a lot of time in the receiving department trying to understand pain points of the ASNs and how I could fix them. So I am going to use any data that I have from that summer and information and notes that I've gathered through meetings with procurement, operations managers, receiving department, and kind of going through the steps of defining, measuring, analyzing, improving, and controlling, and to get, I guess, through it all and to come up with a final paper and presentation for the class. Some of my deliverables will be a lot of things that if you guys have had lean project management, you see we've done the project charter, work breakdown structure, cause and effect, process map, FMEAs, and then I have data from that I created an issue log for, any graphs that I can create that connect to the data, and then adding it all into a presentation. Some issues I guess I can see that I don't think are really big issues, but I guess issues in themselves. I was only an intern, so I didn't have, power to make decisions or anything like that. So anything that I come up with in this project are just my opinions and my outside ideas that I brought into the company. So that could be, I guess, seen as an issue just because I was only an intern. With that being said, I lack experience. I was only there for 3 months, so a lot of you guys also have been in warehouse position operations and have dealt with ASNs way longer than I have, and probably know this information way more than I do. And even in the first topic discussion, have had some students giving me a lot of help and direction and ideas of what they've dealt with in the past that have actually and will help me in this project. I'm going to continue looking out for that as I do lack experience in that as of right now. And another thing is I will be using past data, which since this project is based on the time that I was there and issues that they were having then. But again, if I was to take the data now and they were doing the same exact thing, it would pretty much look the same. This is just my timeline of what steps or my timeline of what I have so far, what I will be adding into this project in the future. If you guys have any comments or questions or any things that you could add or help me with, that if you have dealt with ASNs in the past or are currently dealing with them, how your company has improved the process, if there's any troubles in the past, or any little insights you can give me, I will greatly appreciate it. Thank you.